Hello children, good morning. Welcome to lesson 9 directions part 2. Key points in the lesson: a sketch, maps, scale, symbols, road signs, colors. So these are the things that you are going to see in this lesson. A sketch is a diagram drawn from memory. You see, it is not having any special feature. You draw and you show people the diagram of any place in order to make them reach there. So it is not made of scale with scale and all, just rough idea. It gives us a rough idea of a place and helps in locating a place. You can find a place through the sketch. If anybody gives you a drawing that you from this point to that point you can reach, and this is how it's a rough drawing. It guides us with words like right, left, go left. You have done no landmarks and all. So same way people draw and give directions to people, front, back, and give some landmarks also like road, church, hospital, etc. So you can see the sketch over here, this type of sketch you can see, and this is how you can reach. So sketch also can make you reach a place if you understand the sketch properly. A landmark or a sketch gives us an idea of a place, but a map gives us an exact location of the place. A map is an exact drawing of a place. It is drawn to scale. You see, sketch is a rough idea of a place. We don't make it with scale and all, but map, you have to draw it with scale. Properly it is drawn. It is drawn to scale. You have to draw it with your scale and make the map. It gives us the location of a place on a flat surface. On a flat surface you draw the map, and this is the difference between a map and a sketch. You see, this is the map, world map, map of India. All these places are measured with scale and then made. How? They are on the ground, so many kilometers you can see, but when you are drawing it on the map, we minimize the scale points. Maps come in different sizes. They can be put in a book. That book is known as atlas, or you can fold the map, put on walls, or rolled and stored. Most maps also show only the north direction. Only you will find north direction on the map marked as N. Some maps give us all the directions and some give us north, south, east, west, but some maps give us only north direction marked as N. You see, this is the atlas. I am sure you know what is an atlas. If you don't know, please buy one atlas, and it will be very helpful to you till class 10th when you will need it in social studies. You will be able to find many things in the atlas. This is the map. Do you know there are different types of maps? Many types of maps you must have seen only one or two types of maps which you are doing in your notebook. Like political maps you have seen, isn't it? But you are going to see many other maps in this lesson. You can see the map here, climatic map. This is showing you climate of different places in different parts of India we are seeing, but all the world map also will show you the climate of the place. Political maps. These are political maps which show you different states. So, you know about political maps, children, and climatic maps you have not studied up till now, but in your higher classes you will be studying about climatic maps also. Physical map. So, physical map shows us all the places on the land where there is mountain, plains, plateaus and rivers and so many other things which are on the land are shown on physical map. Thematic maps. You see, when we study about thematic maps, these maps show us about the roads, railway lines, population of a place and so many other things. It is very important to learn to read a map by understanding the language of maps. If you understand the language of map, you see A, B, C, D, E, F, G is not given there. But there are certain things which are shown on the map, and it is shown on every map the same type of things. And if you understand that is the language of the map. If you understand it, you will not find difficulties anywhere. Maps use the same language all over the world. Same type of language is used all over the world so that everyone can read any map anywhere. So, you will find the first language of the map, that is a scale. A scale is used to represent the ratio between distance on map and the distance on the ground. On map, you see map is very small, but the distance on ground is very big, very large. So, how you are going to show it on the map? So, when on the ground you see the large part, if it is 1 kilometer, in the map it might be represented with smaller scale. As it is not possible to show actual distance on a small map. So that's why, for example, 1 is to 1000 or 1 centimeter on the map equals to 1 kilometer on the ground. So these are the different places which are representing on the map, and the ground is different. If it is 1 centimeter, so that means it might be on the ground 1 kilometer. So you see, half inch is equal to 3 miles, it is shown over here. From lighthouse to the dock, to the ship where the ships are, from there the distance is 3 miles. But on the map it is showing half inch only. A symbol, this is another language. Symbol represents real objects. It may be in the form of a simple drawing, letter or shape. Similar symbols are used all over the world. In your book also you are having the symbol. You can see this straight line. means main road, dirt road. This curved line means stream. This crossed lines are railway, and so many other things. You can read this and understand, and you will have to draw also all the symbols which are there in your book. It may be in the form of a simple drawing, letter or shape. As I told you just now, similar symbols are used all over the world. This is in the map. You will find every map has a key, and you see this is the means capital, this means city. It might be red or black color, the mountains brown or green, desert light brown, forest green, wetland where it is very wet, and then river in blue. Understood, children? So here you can see different types of symbols for different places, and this you will find when you see these things in the map. If you have understood the language in the book, then you will be able to read and understand what that symbol means in the map. Do you know road signs are put up on roadside to ensure the safety of drivers. They tell the drivers about speed limit, the curves of the road, speed breaker, etc. When we are going on the road by roadways, by our vehicles, bus or anything, you must have seen many symbols at different places. So when you understand those road symbols, then only you will be able to be safe on the road. You will be able to drive safely because you have understood that what that road symbol, what that road sign means. A good driver must understand the meaning of road signs for safe driving. These things only give license to the drivers. Those who know all these road signs, speed limit, then they will get the license that they can drive on the road. You see, there are many symbols, and in your book also you are having many symbols. Understand some important ones which are very necessary for you and for your family and others. So, if you understand these road signs, you will be able to go anywhere safely. Again, some more symbols. The colors, this is another thing in the map which indicate different features on a map. The blue color indicates water. Wherever you see blue color, it means river, pond, sea. The brown indicates hills, and the green color is used to show plain area. So many more colors you will find there which are showing you all these things. And if you know these colors, that if blue color is there, that means it is a river or it is a sea, and then you will be able to learn up everything. You will be able to read the map properly. Now you know that we can locate a place with the help of a map, compass, sketch or landmarks. All of you all know this, that you can locate place through the map, compass, sketch or landmarks. You see, this is the map which is showing the colors. Blue color means water body, green color means plains, and brown color means all this area is having what? Hills. So I am sure you have understood this, children, very well, and you will be able to find the directions wherever you go. So this is the end of the lesson, children. Very good lesson for you to learn up directions, to know directions, to tell directions and to find places. So stay safe, stay healthy. If you stay safe, how you can stay safe? When you stay at home. How you can stay healthy? When you are not having any corona, any other disease, and you eat nutritious food to stay healthy. So thank you children. I am sure you understood this lesson and you are going to do all the work very nicely. You are going to be obedient and you are going to listen to your parents. So have a nice day. Bye for now and enjoy. Enjoy at home, not going too much outside. Why? Because outside there is danger. So, bye for now and keep smiling, be cheerful, and this is the end of the lesson. Your lesson is completed. Do all the work properly until I meet again in the next lesson.